Hello guys, I wonder how you can build a like Telegram chatbots powered by end-to-end automation workflow and AI agents. So this video is for you guys. Today I'm gonna walk you through the step-by-step to create the chatbot on Telegram. And the back end of this system will be an end-to-end automation workflow, right? So you don't need any programming background. So just follow me. I'm gonna show you how to create the bot in the Telegram, and then how you can create the end-to-end automation workflow uh, to work at the like AI assistant, and then like how you can connect it from the Telegram to the end-to-end automation workflow to make it become a complete AI smart agent, AI smart chatbot. Okay, check it out. Let me quickly walk you through the demo first. So for example, if you want to build a chatbot, and this will like this is the HR, right, AI assistant. So whenever you as an employee making a question to the chatbot, so it will answer the work related human resource domain answer, so that you don't need to directly working with the real HR person, right? For example, you can say hello. Okay, so what? How can you assist me? Yeah, okay. For example, employee. Yeah. So why is the company onboarding process? Okay. Yeah, this is something, right? Uh, so uh, uh, you don't need very much time and effort to build a similar chatbot like this. So yeah, in the few steps you can create that. Like I think it's less than 15 minutes. You can create a similar chatbot, and then you can extend it. So this is like just for the human resource assistant. Like you can definitely extend it into your like customer support or your like IT support team, something like that, or answer the different question in different domains. So yeah, but like I'm gonna help you with the fundamental step, and then basic skeleton of the system, and then you can pick up from there, and with your idea you can develop your own product. Okay, so first, and if you want to follow me, that you need to have two things. First is the Telegram account, right? Of course, and then an NAN instance. So it's gonna be NAN cloud, right? You paid for the NAN, or it's gonna be the self-host option. And if you don't have the self-hosted option yet, you can check my video. I said a comprehensive guide to create an NAN instant on Amazon Web Services, easy to. Okay, so check it out the video if you don't have it yet. And yeah, so let's create a new workflow, and then I'm gonna walk you through every single step to create the chatbot on Telegram. Okay, let's create a workflow, and then name it like my Telegram AI agent chatbot. Okay, now make a cool name. Okay, and the first step, the trigger, right? So we are going to use the Telegram trigger, and this will be like on message, right? So and here we need it will be trigger on whenever a message sending to to the whenever a message created send. So it's will be trigger, the workflow will be trigger, and then to we need the Telegram account, right? So and credential to config here, and then let create a new one. So we need access token, right? The base you already there, but like we need the access token. And how we can grab the access token? Like go to Telegram, and then you will chat with the BotFather, right? You search for BotFather, and then find the you search for the BotFather and find the one with the verification mark here, and then with more than 3 millions of monthly user, right? And then there are a lot list of commands, so you can use like new bot, and the command new bot, and then how we are going to call it, like this can be like my demo telegram bot. Okay, and then a username, right? So it can be like automate with me too. Okay, bot. Yeah, the naming convention is like you must have the name must be ending with bot. Okay, so enter, and then yeah, here the so the BotFather will give you back the access token, and you need to grab it, copy it here. So don't try to use this one because like I'm gonna delete this bot after release the video, so like don't try to use this one. Okay, I'm gonna copy it and then back to the NAN automation workflow, and then here, yep, I'm going to create a new credential, so and then pass it here, right? And then this will be like my telegram demo bot. So if you have multiple credentials, make sure that you're naming it in the in the right way, so that you know what token is what bot, right? Okay, 1 second. Okay, so after the connection test successfully, then we are good with the trigger, right? So now the next step, we need an agent, right? We need an AI agent, so that, okay, and then yeah, link it to the AI agent. Okay, and then for the chat model, you can use whatever chat model you want. It can be Anthropic, it can be Azure, it can be anything, but like for me, I use OpenAI, right? OpenAI chat model, GPT 4.1 mini is to be good enough in this case, right? And then yeah, of course, in the lab environment, it's very straightforward and easy, but like in your real world scenario, you may need to benchmark different model for different use case, and then select the right one for you. Okay, and also for the simplicity of the video, I'm not going to add the memory or tool for the AI agent. This will be so it's easy for everyone, especially for the beginner, to be able to follow, right? For the AI agent, this will be triggered by the previous node, and then we are going to define the prompt, right? We can say that respond to the user query below, right? And then we're gonna get the message from the user, and then the system, we can say that you have full virtual it are virtual assistant, right? Your responsibility is to answer work related question of the automate with me company, like as a domain for non-related questions, like uh, tell them that you can support. Okay, and then for the next step, we are like we already have the trigger, we have the AI agent that handle the workflow, and then we have like we need to send the message back to the user for every single query, right? So we use Telegram, and then we send another send text message, right? Okay, so we need to use my Telegram, then configure the credential using the port we created, and send a message, the chat ID and the text. So yeah, this basically, but like let disable it right now, and then we can uh, come back later then, right? So let back to the Telegram, and then here, so in the congratulation message, you can see, right, you will find it at T, and then you just click here, click in this link, and then you start, click start, and then you ready to chat uh, with your bot, right? And then let's back here, and then try execute the workflow, and now it's waiting for the trigger, right? So you can see that I believe it will be a message start, right? So you send a message start here, and then it trigger, and then the AI agent is getting, we need to update the user prompt a little bit. So let's say the content, right, the text here. Okay, maybe we can put the username here too. So right, awesome. And then yep, and then can try to run it again. Okay, so hello Trung, how can I assist today? Well, yeah, it will be more uh interactive way if we know the username, and then we hello. So it will be more interactive. Enable it again, and then see that. So we need chat ID, right? For the chat ID, we can get it from the Telegram trigger, the chat ID here. Okay, and the text message will be the output of the previous AI agent output, and then reply markup we can. Nope, no, we don't need anything. And then yeah, I'm going to save and click send here. Okay, and then I get back to the yep. So I think it's worked, right. We send a message, and then the workflow has been triggered, and then the AI agent generate the teller like customized response for the user, and then we using the Telegram built-in not send message to send the reply back to the user. So let's try another one, right? uh, how can you help me? Okay, okay, so instantly it getting back, right. For example, let's ask a question, another question, like can you help to write Python app to uh, for my project? Okay, I'm gonna ask the question that outside the main, so, and I want to see if how it respond, right? Okay, good job, right? So it's the SR related question support, so it's the not answer for the non-related question. Very good. Okay, so yeah, I think it's pretty much and very easy and simple video to follow. So yeah, like give it a try. Give it a try to create your own AI power chatbot on Telegram, and then let me know if you have any problem, or if you have any idea to create the chatbot on Telegram. Feel free to say in the comment. I could love to see that. Thank you very much, and have a very good day.